The question says let in a series of 2n observations, half of them are equal to a and the remaining half are equal to minus a. Also, by adding a constant b in each of these observations, the mean and standard deviation of the new set becomes 5 and 20 respectively. What will be the value of a square plus b square? So firstly it says that there are some terms, that is a n times, and there are another terms minus a n times. So now the mean of these terms will be equal to 0, as every nth a will cancel every nth minus a. Therefore the mean is equal to 0. Now the new mean will be equal to the original mean plus b. So therefore we have the new mean is equal to 5. So therefore x bar plus b is equal to 5. Now x bar was found out to be 0. So therefore b's value comes out to be 5. Now as for the second condition that is given, there will be no change in standard deviation because there is no change in origin. So therefore we have sigma to be equal to GIF of summation xi square upon 2n minus of x bar whole square, which is equal to under root of 2n a square upon 2n minus 0. So therefore we have a square's value to be equal to root of 20. Therefore we have a value to be equal to 20. Now what the question is asking, what will be the value of a square plus b square, which is equal to 20 square plus 5 square, which equals 425.